Hello world! Hello to all the visionaries out there. So, about YouTube pa rin tayo. And one thing I've learned dun sa mga strategy na to and in-apply ko, unti-unti nakikita ko talaga yung growth. So, last time I put some kung paano yung gagawin mo after you make your YouTube channel. Ngayon naman, ano naman yung mga strategies? So, yung mga strategies na to, yun yung mga nakita ko na pinag-aralan ko kung ano yung mga makakatulong pa para mag-grow yung mga YouTube viewers or YouTube subscribers natin. So, in today's video, I hope it can help you, and let's dive in to our video. So, all the strategies na 9 na to and na ginagawa nila, nakita ko na wow, they grow so much. That's why I do it also in my part. So, ang number one strategy na yon is to know your purpose. Know the purpose of your YouTube channel. So, this YouTube channel is all about online businesses and all who wants to have a freelancing businesses na mga digital visionaries, no? And yung purpose na yun is to help them also generating income while supporting their family and also the ministry. So, ito yung purpose ng YouTube na to help all the visionaries out there so that they will have also visible online businesses so that they can help also their family and their ministry. So, what is the purpose of your YouTube channel? Pwede kang mag-inspire mag-cook, magluto, diba? Mag-inspire na yan, mga photographies, videography, diba? Mga ganon. So, ano yung mga yung iba yung sa health, fitness, no, yung mga foods and minimalist, ganon. So, what is the purpose of your YouTube channel? So, one of the strategy is you need to know the purpose of your YouTube channel. Kasi kung walang purpose, no, kagaya natin, kung wala tayong purpose, wala tayo sa mundo ito. You have a purpose. So, what is the purpose of your YouTube channel? Ang the best na pwede mong gawin para malaman mo yung purpose mo. Ano yung gustong-gusto mong itulong na skill mo or mga natutunan mo. Yan. So, o kaya, gift mo na, no, na pwede mong i-share sa iba na makakatulong din sa kanila. So, that is the purpose of the YouTube channel. Okay, so let's dive into Number two strategy, you need to have a searchable content. Yan. So, ako ngayon, I make sure that I have a searchable content. Why? Because I don't have that kind of viewers pa ngayon. I don't have that kind of tawag dito, subscribers, no? It's more than 100 pa lang yung aking mga subscribers. That's why I make a searchable content. Yung mga lagi nilang sinesearch. So, you can use vidIQ, TubeBuddies, no? Para dun sa mga searchable content. At the best strategy is, again, the relevant YouTubers like you na kamukhang-kamukha ng idea mo o kamukhang-kamukha ng yung mga videos or yung mga inspiration na mga videos, no, o mga YouTubers. Pwede mo tingnan yung kanilang mga title and mag-search ka, no? Tingnan mo sila. And then make it your title or your description or hashtags. Yan, pwede mong gamitin yon so that maging visible ka dun sa mga searchable content. Yan. So, kahit hindi pa ganun kalaki yung YouTube channel mo, pwedeng gawin mo yon. Yun mga strategy ng mga nag-uumpisa sa mga YouTubers. Yan. So, that is number 2 strategy natin. Number 3 naman tayo is every single engagement count or every single likes o share, di ba? Count. So, kapag katapos mong in-upload yung YouTube channel mo, you see to it you like your video. You see to it you comment, no, on the comment section. Alright, so let's move to the 4 strategies na ginagamit nila. They are promoting their YouTube channel. So, you need to promote it again sa mga platform mo or sa email, no? You can promote it. Once na nagkaroon ka na ng email list. So, yun, ako ay build my email list, no? By giving them a free content na pwede kong i-share sa kanila, and then they will subscribe into my email list so that I can promote my videos every time that I have a new upload video. So, pwede mo silang i-message doon na have a new video, you can check it out, then like that. So, promote it. And also in your another platforms. I have an Instagram and I have also Facebook page. So, TikTok, madalang lang, pero hindi ko siya masyadong priority. So, I have also website. Yan. So, promote your YouTube channel. And then, number 5 strategy, you need to study other YouTube channel. Again, relevant YouTuber. Yan. So, if you are on online businesses, yung mga nag-online business. If you are in the health niche, you go to the health niche YouTubers. No? If you are in the food and minimalistic or about graphic designing like that, or teach on how to be fluent in English like that. So, tingnan mo yung mga yon. So, you need to study other YouTubers and also learn the strategy that they are doing. So, number 6 strategy, the quality of your content. Number 1 is the content. So, it will follow the voice and also the camera, the lighting. So, if you want to have a good setup or good quality videos, you can check my video here na in-upload ko on how to film a video using your phone also, and also how can you make your video stand out. Yan. So, yun, yung quality. So, you need to make sure you have a quality content. And number 7 is good thumbnail. So, you can use Canva because it's free. Yeah? Free talaga siya. Pwede mo siyang gamitin. Pwede kang gumawa ng mga Canva. So, one of the suggestion that I gave you talaga, ideas na mga pwede mong gawin is to, again, hanap ka ng inspiration sa ibang mga thumbnail. So, isa sa mga pinaka number 1 tips ko sa'yo, yung left side mo, dapat yung thumbnail, yung left side mo, or here is the left side, right, I believe. Lagi yung dun yung word or fonts ng thumbnail mo. So, you see to it, at least 3 words lang yung thumbnail. Kasi, pag mahaba, masyado na, hindi na catchy, or hindi na sila mabilis. Alam mo naman yung mga tao, di ba? Meron talagang, yung patience, kulang talaga. So, yung image mo, pwede lagi-lagi siya sa right side. So, yung thumbnail mo, kailangan nasa left side yung fonts. Yan. And, eye-catching. Kailangan na nakaka-catch sila. So, meron ako ngayong editor. Dati ako lang gumagawa sa Canva, pero meron na ako nag-i-edit and magaling siya talaga dun sa ganun. So, mas nag-improve naman yung aking mga thumbnail. So, ano pa? And then number 8, yan. Mas gustong-gusto ng mga tao that you are asking them to subscribe. So, kahit shinare mo na yung YouTube channel mo, kung hindi ka pa rin nagiging clear to dun sa action na gusto mong pagawa sa kanila, minsan, kahit nakita nila yung videos mo, hindi pa rin sila subscribe. That's why you need to ask the people not to subscribe. Why? Because bigyan mo sila ng malaking why. Why? Because I want to reach more people na pwede kong tulungan. By subscribing, liking, and sharing my videos, you are helping me to be visible on those people that I can help also. Yan. So, ako, ganun ako. Intentionally, pag sinasabi ko, please subscribe. And by subscribing it, you are helping me. Diba? To see to be visible to those people na gusto ko pantulungan. Lalo na yung mga GTOL people. Alright. So, asking na kailangan mayroon tayong asking or clear na action na gusto mong ipagawa dun sa mga viewers mo. And then, hindi to nawawala. Number 9, consistency. You need to be consistent. Okay? So, after you do your videos, uploading it, no? You can also promoting it to your platform. So, tuloy-tuloy lang ang consistency. And don't forget to make a video at least once a week. No, again, nasabi ko na to sa last time na video na sinabi ko nung after you make your YouTube video, you can check this out. Yung consistency and promoting your video using your platform. Yan! So, that's the strategy na nakita ko, and it will grow your YouTube channel. So, hindi ka ma-stuck sa... ang sabi nila, totoo yun, 100 is napakahirap. So, that's why you need to do this strategy. 100 napakahirap. And then, after that, 1,000, and then 10,000, and 100,000, no, pwede mo nang gawin. Basta tuloy-tuloy mo lang na ginagawa. So, consistency makes you, makes a result in your end. So, that's for our YouTube channel again. So, again, you can check again my free business checklist on the description below. And malapit na akong mag-launch ng live workshop natin. So, check this out. I will announce it on my Facebook freelance page and also Instagram and also in the YouTube channel. So, if you want to join my free workshop Facebook Live, or pwede ko rin gawin siya sa YouTube Live. So, pwedeng sabay. So, watch out for that tawag dito, workshop live na pwede kitang makapag-interact, or lahat ng question mo ay na gusto mong tanong, you can ask on that Facebook or live workshop that I can give you. So, watch out for this February, next week, I will see it and I will announce it. So, thank you for your time. Again, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell, and please share it, and I hope to see you in another video. Bye! God bless you!